Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we do some practice examples on profit and loss. In our previous classes, we discussed the basics. If you understand those basics, solving them is very easy. So, in order to make you understand how different examples are framed on profit and loss, we have taken these examples. Please watch our previous classes and come back here. A shop owner purchased 80 kg of sugar at rupees 13.50 per kg and he mixed it with 120 kg sugar at rupees 16 per kg. One sugar is of quality low quality, that is of 13.50 rupees per kg, another one is 16 per kg. He mixed both of them. At what rate should he sell the mixer to gain 16%? So in our last classes, when we discussed the formula, whenever here you have to identify the gain of 16%. Whenever you get that point into the mind, gain 16%, gain means selling price minus cost price. If you identify the cost price, you can identify the selling price. We done basic examples. Identifying the cost price is very easy. Here they have given the mixer 80 kg of 13.50. See, cost price of total mixer is 80 multiplied by 1350 plus 120 multiplied by 16. So rupees 3000 is the cost price of 200 kg sugar. If you want to get 16% profit, what's the selling price should be? Selling price should be 116% of 3000. See how you got this 116% from the basic examples which we discussed. If you want to get 16% profit means this is the cost price, 116% of 3000, which is 116 by 100 multiplied by 3000, that is equal to 3480. If you sell this 200 kg sugar, you have to get 3480, then only you will get 16% profit. So how much he has to sell it for per kg? Selling price per kg is equal to 3480 divided by 200, which is 17.40 per kg. This is the cost he has to sell it for. Now coming to the second question, this is bit complex to do. Pure ghee cost rupees 100 per kg. Pure ghee is of cost rupees 100 per kg. After adulterating it with vegetable oil, means he mixed it with vegetable oil consisting rupees 50 per kg. Vegetable oil is of cost 50 per kg. A shopkeeper sells the mixer at the rate of 96 per kg. He is selling the mixer, combination of those two, at the rate of 96 per kg. Means selling price has been given, thereby making a profit of 20%. If he sell it for 96 per kg, he is getting a profit of 20%. Means gain percent is given, selling price is given. You have to identify the cost price. What's the cost price of the mixer per kg? Indirectly they have provided that information. Once you got the cost price, in what ratio does he mix the two? If you get the cost price of the mixer, you can identify the ratio of their mixer. Yes, we can identify that. How we identify that? Let's try to understand. So selling price is equal to 100 plus 20 by 100 multiplied by cost price. So 20 is the gain percentage. Cost price is equal to 96 multiplied by 100 by 120. Cost price means take this 100 to other side. 100 plus 20 means 120. That is equal to 80 per kg. So the mixer cost is 80 per kg. At what ratio he is going to mix that? Means you have to take, see this point you have to understand from the previous aptitude examples. You have to get this idea. That's why aptitude you have to learn all the concepts, then only we can solve these examples. See, what is the cost of 80 per kg? It is a mixer cost. What is the ratio of their mixers? How much we are taking from pure ghee, how much we are taking from vegetable oil? That is what the ratio of the mixer. So that mixer has to cost 80. Assume that X% we are taking from 100. Why we are taking this 100? What is the cost of ghee? Pure ghee cost rupees 100. Vegetable oil 50. So we are taking x% of 100. X% of 100 means so the amount from this x% we want to take, and the remaining percent we have to take from 100 minus x% of 50 rupees. That should be equal to 80. Summation of these two should be 80, because combination of these two should be 80 rupees. How much we are taking, how much percent we are taking from ghee, how much percent we are taking from vegetable oil. That is what we have to identify. So x by 100, x% of 100, 100 minus x% of 50 means x% of 100 means x by 100 multiplied by 100, plus 100 minus x% of 50 means 100 minus x by 100 multiplied by 50, that is equal to 80. If you solve this, x plus 100 minus x by 2 is equal to 80, 2x plus 100 minus x by 2 is equal to 80, x is equal to 160 minus 100, x is equal to 60. Means 60% you have to take from pure ghee. 100 minus x means remaining percent, 40% you have to take from that vegetable oil. Then the cost will be 80. So 60 is to 40, 30 is to 20, which is we call it as 3 is to 2. What's the ratio? 3 is to 2. So from the basics which we learned from the entire aptitude course, you can solve any aptitude question. Hope you understand these examples. If you have any questions regarding the concepts, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.